Get this mozzarella to sorting immediately.
Confirmed. Is the flour ready for pickup?
Almost. Watch the pallet jack coming through. That one is bruised, toss it.
Right, we need only the best for the sauce.
Check the flow rate on line 3. Looks steady at 500 pounds an hour.
Here in the produce wing, fresh vegetables undergo a rigorous washing and sorting process before they ever touch our pizzas.
The temperature is holding steady at 400. Good, the crust is browning perfectly on the 3rd row.
The core temperature is stabilizing nicely here. Yes, the airflow adjustments worked. We are clear for wrapping.
The temperature reading here seems a bit low. Yes, I've adjusted the airflow to compensate. It's stabilizing now.
State-of-the-art sensors measure weight and analyze the crust color and topping distribution. Should a pizza fail to meet the strict standards, it is quickly removed.
We need that pallet in bay 2 now.
Clear the dock, watch the forklift.